Alright guys, I was just going to give you a quick update on my Teryx4 LE 2018 model. I've done a few things since y'all saw it last time. Obviously my wife made some vinyls for the windshield. That's not a huge deal though. The big update is my snorkel kit I added. I've been asked a lot, you do lose your cup holders in the back. I don't care, your drinks got too hot back there anyway. Come out right there, they give you this nice metal bracket, hides everything well, comes right up the top. Since you lose your cup holders, I added these, like $12 off Amazon, but they're insulated. I don't know if I like them there yet or not. I may move them a little lower somewhere. We'll see how they work. Also added these rear pods. Once again, another little Amazon purchase. I think they were like 30 bucks for both of them. Just a little reverse lighting. Last but not least, had this snorkel made. I'm not leaving it chrome. I'm either gonna paint it with some high heat paint, but I've also got some black exhaust wrap that I'm gonna wrap that whole thing with. They made me two nice brackets, and it's welded right to that end cap. We'll see how she does. I know these Teryxes are notorious for dying underwater if you don't keep your foot on the gas, so we'll see if that'll help a little bit. I got my reverse pods right there, and my slim light bar on the other one. So far, she's been a great machine. We'll be in Jacksonville at River Run for the ride on the 30th of March, so be looking for us.